Do you need a solution for your composite decking or maybe a laminate flooring project? What about making the cuts for a mild steel box section frame? Or do you just need a high-performing workstation for a variety of projects in your home or workshop? This could be your solution right here. Hi there, I'm DK, and today I'd like to present to you the 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm sliding miter saw, the R185 SMS Li. This saw is part of Evolution's family of cordless power tools. Supplied with a premium Japanese carbide-tipped blade, this saw utilizes its high-torque 18-volt lithium-ion powered motor, which runs the blade at optimum speed for long-life multi-material cutting. All of the batteries in the range which you can see here are fully compatible with this saw. Simply attach to the saw and it's ready for cutting. We cover all the battery specs later in the video and answer all of your questions. But back to the R185 SMS Li. It's a sliding miter saw, which means it's ideal to perform a variety of cross, miter and bevel cuts on larger material stock, and is perfect for both commercial and domestic use. It's accurate for the ability to achieve precision cutting on your wood, metals, plastics or aluminium. It's reliable for long life tool durability on all your project work. It's powerful with the torque to cut through even the toughest materials, whether it's 50 by 50 by 3mm walled mild steel box section or even lengths of hard oak. It really is no problem for this saw. So now I'm going to take you through in detail all of the specs of this cordless sliding miter saw, including some really innovative new features over the previous generation of miter saws. If you'd like to take a look at the 18-volt lithium-ion cordless compound miter saw in the range, the R185 CMS Li, then you can find the full specs for this machine on the Evolution Power Tools website. Obviously, the most notable feature over the previous generation of miter saws is that it's cordless. No more cables means that there are no more working restrictions. You can move this saw around the site or set it up outside quickly and easily. No need to worry about extension cables or dealing with cabling and trip hazards around your workshop. A dust bag is also included and a dust port adapter for easy vacuum extraction. Just remember, you remove the dust bag when working with metals. The dust port design has been improved on this model and will ensure better extraction when working with wood. Simply attach your handy shop vac, like so, and you're ready to go, giving you a cleaner and safer working environment. To help you with portability, there's a soft grip rear carry handle here. It's been specially designed to make it ideal for moving the saw around comfortably on site or when mounting to a miter saw stand. A top clamp is also included, enabling additional accuracy and adjustments when quickly securing your workpieces. This clamp can be fitted to the left or the right of the blade, depending on whether you need to perform a cross or a bevel cut, and it fits on like so. I really like this groove design, which has been specially constructed to grip all of your round material stocks, like copper pipe. The premium 185mm multi-material cutting blade supplied with the machine is great for long-life precision cutting on hardwood, laminate, mild steel and even nail-embedded wood. When compared to its older brother, the Evolution R185 SMS Plus, the trench cutting facility has been greatly improved. This will assist you with those rebates. Cut capacity has also been increased on this saw. The cross-cut capacity is 58 by 210mm at 90 degrees, an increase of 3mm in depth over the R185 SMS Plus, ideal for cutting down your larger boards. This machine will miter to the left and the right by 50 degrees. There are quick-click miter stops at all the common angles, both left and right. The miter cut capacity of this saw is 58 by 145mm. For such a compact saw, it really is ideal for most common types of wood and decking. It can bevel to the right from 0 to 45 degrees. Its bevel cutting capacity at 45 degrees is 40 by 210mm, which will give you true accuracy of cut when you're working on skirting boards. The compound capacity on this saw is 40 by 145 millimeters. It's ideal for accurate cuts in moldings, trims and cornices. Engage the locking pin, situated at the rear of the saw, to enable a quick stop at 33.9 degrees on your bevel angle. The horizontal ambidextrous handle design allows for comfortable use when in operation, whether you're a left or a right-handed user. It has a soft grip for user comfort and features a safety trigger here, which must be engaged to activate the saw. It really is a great safety feature. Whilst we're touching on the safety aspects of the saw, check this out. You might have noticed two things here. Firstly, is the soft start feature on the saw, which has been implemented to assist with prolonging the motor life. Also, you will have heard that as soon as I eased off the trigger, the saw came to an almost immediate stop. That's the electronic blade brake safety feature, which stops the saw when in operation in mere seconds. If you were familiar with the Evolution Power Tools corded saws, you'll have noticed a difference in the design of the blade guard. This saw has a polycarbonate blade guard. This clear guard gives full visibility of the cutting line when in operation. When your material is clamped and ready for cutting, there is no longer any calibration to deal with regarding a laser. This saw uses shadow line technology. As you can see, this is visible to assist you when making a cut and provides increased accuracy. In addition to the multi-material cutting blades supplied with the machine, there are a range of specific blades available which can also be fitted to this machine. There is this general purpose wood blade, which gives you maximum performance when cutting many different types of wood, from planed to structural timber, decking, scaffolding boards or skirting. It will give you a cleaner and smoother cut on wood than the multi-material blade. Also, there is this fine wood cutting saw blade, which features 40 tungsten carbide tipped teeth, which are designed to deliver the smoothest, fastest and sharpest cuts in both soft and hardwood. It really is the best option for fine wood cutting. This has been made possible by optimizing the geometry of every tooth, adjusting the tooth pitch, offset, taper and top profile, so you enjoy the smoothest cuts, the finest finish and the longest blade life. If you're furniture making, this really is the best option for you. Evolution Power Tools have designed this saw for use with their 2, 4, 5 and 8 amp batteries. All of the batteries in the range will ensure that the saw will operate with no compromise on power or accuracy. All the batteries in the range feature Keep Cool technology. This ensures that they actively manage their temperature during operation, so that the cells don't overheat. This feature gives more power during operation, a longer runtime, and increases your battery life. To change your battery, or when you need to put it on charge, there's a quick release button here. For charging, there's two options. There's a single unit dock that you can see here, or there's also this double charging dock. You'll get the same fantastic performance with either charging dock, depending on how many batteries you want to charge at a given time. Once the charger is plugged in, you slot in your battery like so. And then you can monitor the battery charge status from this LED charge indicator. These chargers are also wall mountable, which is a handy feature for use in the workshop or garage. Both this and the smaller compound miter saw in the range, the R185 CMS Li, are also compatible with Evolution's miter saw stand. This turns the saw into a portable workstation. It's a great option when working with longer materials, such as 3-meter long boards. The Evolution metal sawhorse with folding legs twin pack is an essential piece of kit for every tradesman or DIYer. Whether on site or in the van, or in your workshop or garage, the Evolution sawhorses are compact, lightweight and durable to support your heavy-duty construction needs. And there you have it, the Evolution Power Tools R185 SMS Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm sliding miter saw and blade, with optional material-specific blades and accessories. A highly versatile miter saw that is ideal for undertaking a variety of trade and DIY work. If you'd like to learn more about this tool or explore the full family of Evolution cordless tools, then please visit the Evolution Power Tools UK website for all the details. And that's us done for today. I appreciate you taking the time to learn about this saw. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time round.